Hello, thanks for stopping by. Glad you're here. My name is Bob Berry, and let me tell you what we're about. The blog you've discovered is about the art of bringing together, integrating, and innovating two amazing phenomena occurring in the world today. First, all of the brilliant content, learning, methods, and ideas being generated by the many authors, artists, inventors, and entrepreneurs who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And second, the exploding reach and power of the global internet. My work, along with my many talented collaborators, is dedicated to enabling those creative individuals and organizations to get on board, to get online. While the services and assistance we offer here are numerous, we focus on three key areas. First, knowledge transfer, information design, and getting all of this wisdom out of the heads and organizations and articulating it so that we can work with it and automate it and build compelling interactive experience around it. Second, interactive education, specifically e-learning, but also treating all of this under the assumption that any online activity is really about learning. And third, effective user experience, where we've developed innovative and powerful methods to make sure that that man-machine interface just sings. As the blog describes, this is focused on advancing the critical processes of human, personal, and spiritual development. That's what we're about. Terry Patton of Integral Life Practice says it well. We're committed to the amazing human experiment that's been going on for thousands of years, where we apply the perennial tradition of breaking with tradition, of innovating, inventing, and integrating. We've been doing it all along, transcending what went before, and then also including and connecting different pieces of what went before. We're only the latest expression of that ancient process. So, we invite you to join us, to contribute to the outreach, to the interactive human experience, and helping advance how it all helps the ongoing evolution of learning, media, work, and community. Go to the blog, click on Contact Us, send us a note, comment on the blog post. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to chat with you. Thank you.